I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in a ready Word document. Connect and verify your microphone first and select it in Windows Sound Settings. Then sign into your Microsoft 365 account if required. Once done, open Word, position the cursor where you want dictation to begin, and make sure your language and keyboard match your speech. Now go to the Home ribbon and locate the Dictate button so you can begin speaking into a document with minimal delay. Click Dictate on the Home ribbon and accept any microphone prompts. You'll see a live waveform when Word hears you. Speak sentences naturally and say punctuation out loud if auto-punctuation isn't enabled. Make brief pauses to let recognition catch up. Use the language selector to match your spoken dialect and toggle auto-punctuation or transcription settings for cleaner output. If you need new paragraphs or line breaks, say New Paragraph or pause and press Enter to control formatting manually. When you're done, click Dictate again or press ESC to stop listening. Make sure to save the document immediately. Proofread using Word's editor and keyboard shortcuts to fix errors quickly and format headings or lists after dictation for clean structure. If words are misrecognized, check the microphone selection, mute other audio sources, restart Word, and install any Office updates. One quick tip: if recognition drops, toggle Dictate off and on again, and test with a short sentence to recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.